Welcome back to Steve O's Fishing. We're gonna get out here on this Saturday morning. Obviously, Erie once again has dropped down below 40 degrees. So on Monday, you saw my last fishing video, had a pretty good day because it was almost about 70 degrees. So now we're dealing with 30 degree difference in air temperature. I don't know what that's going to do to the water temperature. I'm assuming it's going to drop it a little bit, but I don't think enough, hopefully, to alter some of the bass activity. But we're going to try a couple different spots today. Maybe work on some flipping and pitching techniques based on a couple of the areas that we go to. And we're just going to try to do a little bit of experimentation today. I don't anticipate to have as much luck as I had on Monday, but you never know. The bass are still hungry. They still got to eat. So we'll see if we can find them today. Let's go. All right, guys. We're at the first spot here. I'm going to try to be a little quiet. I did just see something jump in this little backwash area here, so I'm just going to try to flip a jig in here, see if I can't wrestle something out. He's spawning. Alright guys, what I'm using is this green and brown with a little orange accent with a green trailer here. Alright guys, we're going to try this sort of fluke style bait here. It's weedless, so it shouldn't make a difference if I put it through there. I just worry about getting hung up. I only have 15-pound test on here, but gotta give it a chance. That one, I didn't even know it. Chance of that. Of course, he went right into there. Can't get. Got me stuck in the thing. It's okay though. We had one. Figured they'd be back here spawning. We got that one bass. Because we know there's bass there. As soon as it hit the water. smaller guy, but we'll take it. Something, right? Right. Okay. Well, it's one. Grab that as soon as it hit the water. All right, guys. Not too bad. About a 11, 12 incher. Maybe just about a pound. Okay. Why don't you go back? Become a 4-pounder. Oh my God. Broke my mind. All right, try a different spot. All right, guys, we're at the last stop here. We're going to throw this little caffeine shad. It's a little murky here. We're gonna see if we can find any kind of bass. I'm guessing it's about 60. 58.5, wow. Dropped 8 degrees since Monday. That's pathetic. Okay. All right, guys. Well, gave it a shot today. I didn't have the best feelings about it, given the fact that it got down to under 40 last night. But we got one bass back in backwash area where I figured we would, because we had warmer temperatures and I got it before the sun came out. But now the bluebird sky day, pretty calm and cold. Water temp dropped 8 degrees since Monday, so I anticipate them not having too much activity here for the bass. So we will try again. Eventually, Erie's gotta warm up. So thanks for watching Steve O's Fishing. Catch you next time.